Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Talus token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Talus is a decentralized infrastructure protocol built on the Sui blockchain designed to power a verifiable and transparent economy of autonomous AI agents. Decentralized AI agent infrastructure. It provides the core building blocks for developers to create, deploy, and manage AI agents that can execute complex on-chain and off-chain workflows. High throughput architecture on Sui. By leveraging Sui's parallel execution, Talus enables AI agents to operate with sub-second finality and predictable cost, addressing the performance needs of automation. US token fuels the ecosystem. The native US token is used for paying workflow fees, staking, registering agent tools, and governance, with a portion of protocol revenue used for buybacks and burns. Talus token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 2.2 billion. US token is listed on Binance Alpha, Bitget, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.